I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So today's video I'm going to be doing a recreation of one of Ariana Grande's looks. I saw her post this look on Instagram and I just fell in love. I thought it was so cute. Obviously I'm not as cute as her, but we're gonna try. And I'm also excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new favorites of mine, these new pastel liners that I've been trying out. So I have here 7 different pastel liners. I feel like I say that word really weird, pastel. I don't know. Anyways, so I have already used all of them, to be honest, but in today's video I'm only going to be using 2 because they're the shades that Ariana used on her look. Well, actually I don't know who did Ariana's makeup. I'll list it somewhere if I find out. But I have looks on my Instagram and little tutorials on TikTok using these liners, so I'll definitely put my hand on the screen so you guys can follow me on there and check those out. So all of these pastel liners are water activated, and we've got with us a baby blue, a teal, peach, pink, purple. These are the 2 shades we're going to be using today. A lime green that's kind of like yellow also, and a green. Don't worry if you're not able to see them properly because I will be swatching all of them for you guys. So again, these are all water activated and we're going to be starting out with the purple. If you guys are looking for good affordable brushes to do liner with, I would definitely recommend the Crown C514 brush. I absolutely love this brush. Also, I forgot to mention, I do believe that these liners are on sale right now, like I think 30% off. If you end up watching this video after the sale is over, I would definitely recommend using my code on the Isla Cosmetics website. I didn't even mention that. The liners are from Isla Cosmetics. You can definitely use my code Vanessa to save some money. Isla Cosmetics is a brand that I really love. All their products are super affordable and high quality, especially their lashes. Like, I cannot live without their lashes. Y'all need to go to Isla Cosmetics right now and check out everything they have. Alright, you guys, so that's, I know it looks kind of white on camera, but this is purple. It's so freaking pretty. They're so pigmented, so you don't have to keep going over and over them, so they're not gonna crack. And yeah, that was pretty simple. So now we're gonna go complete this liner with some pink. And that is it, you guys. That was so simple. And I wish you guys could see this liner in person. It's so cute. And the brushes help you make such a precise line. I don't even have to clean this liner up. I think it looks just like hers. So this is a super fun and simple and just cute look that you can do anytime with any color. And you know, if you get the bundle of the liners, you'll have so many options of colors to do. By the way, y'all, I ain't getting paid to do this. Like, I'm doing this video because Isla Cosmetics is a brand that I genuinely love and believe in their products, and that is why I want everyone to know about them. So I don't know what products were used on Ariana, so I'm just using what I have. I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Sand. Alright, so now that we've applied our foundation, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. Yo, I think we're about to have a storm. I had no idea. But I set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then the rest of my face with the Too Faced Peach Perfect loose setting powder. Why I say powder. Excuse my nose contour, I will fix that in a minute. But we're gonna bronze now, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer in the shade Tan. I do have a video on this bronzer. I don't know if this video is gonna go up before that one or after that one, but either way, look at the description box because that video will be linked down below. Alright, so now we're gonna go into some blush, and I'm using the Makeup Forever B210 blush. Y'all will see it on my face. Okay, so now we're gonna be applying some lashes, also by Isla Cosmetics in the style Soul. These are literally like my favorite lashes ever. So now we're gonna line the lips. I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. You know, quite frankly, I don't know what kind of lipstick Ariana had on because she had a mask on in her picture. I was gonna do lipstick, but when I started applying the lip liner, I was like, I really like this color, so I just put it all over my lips, and I think it's really nice. So this is the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? Obviously, Ariana doesn't have curly hair, nor was she wearing a Mortal Kombat t-shirt, but look-wise, I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? I think this is so cute and so fun. Honestly, wish I had somewhere to go. Honestly, wish we weren't in the middle of a pandemic because this is too cute, and all I'm really gonna do now is take it off. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys check out Isla Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.